Hello Divi community, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike and I'm excited to share another Divi tutorial with you. My goal here is to make learning Divi as straightforward as possible, even if my editing skills are, well, still developing. Today we're going to be looking at how to disable animations on a mobile view. So let's jump in. So what is a mobile animations on a mobile view? So if we have a look here at this test site and I just refresh it, you'll see, watch this animation over here of this particular thing as it loads. You can see it slides and it makes it look, it's really cool. I mean, especially on a desktop. But sometimes what happens is we do not want to see these animations on mobile because mobile connections oftentimes can be slower. And so the JavaScript for that might be slowing it down. So we want to try and speed that up as much as we can. So how can we do this? Well, one way you can do it is that you go in the Visual Builder, you can go into each element itself. And as it loads, apologies, it's a bit slow today. All right, so as we go into each of the different elements, when it's ready. Okay, so you can go to the advanced and the design page, and then at the bottom here, animation, you'll set that to none. All right, and then that'll take away whatever animation that you have. The issue that we sit here though is that we don't want to take the animation away completely. We only want to take the animation away on the mobile view. All right, so how can we do that? Well, we can jump onto my blog because we're going to use a bit of code for this. On my blog, dividoc.com, you can head to the article, How to Disable Animations on a Mobile with a Divi Theme. And you scroll down, you'll see I have the code here ready. So if you copy that, and then jump back into your dashboard. All right, go to Divi, Theme Options, go to the bottom, and we just paste the code in there. So basically what this is doing is using a media query. So media queries, why we use it, is that any screen that you're using that has a maximum width of 981, this will then apply to it. Anything that is in excess of this, it will not apply to that. All right, so if you're using a proper big desktop screen, this CSS will not apply to it. But if you're using usually from like some laptops, but usually mobile view as in tablets and mobiles themselves, this will then apply. All right, so we save the changes for that. We go back into our test here, we exit the Visual Builder, just discard and exit. All right, we'll see our beautiful animation again. As it loads, there it comes. Okay, now let's go jump into the mobile view. And let's refresh the page again. All right, you can see it's already there. There's no animation happening because it's all been disabled. Okay, so that's how you can disable animations on a mobile view. I hope this tutorial has been beneficial for you. If it has, please hit that like button to let me know. And to catch more Divi tutorials as they come out, make sure you subscribe to the channel as I will be posting more videos as I learn more about Divi. Your feedback is valuable, so do leave a comment below with any questions or suggestions for future videos. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.